Hello everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. In today's video, we will talk about Task Us. So, what is Task Us, and if you are aspiring to be a part of Task Us, what are the qualities you should possess, what are the job openings, and what are the criteria required. Also, in this video, I will tell you about those interview questions that are frequently asked at the time of personal interview round. So please watch complete video. Also, I will be uploading a second video in which I will talk about frequently asked question related to Task Us. So let's get started. So all those who would like to be a part of Taskers and are looking forward to make their career with Taskers should definitely know each and everything about the company. It goes without saying that thorough company research is key to crack any interview. So let us find out few details about Taskers which will help you out while you will appear for personal interview round. So TASKUS was founded in 2008 by Bryce Maddock and Jasper Weir. So the company raised a good amount in 2018 from the world's largest private equity firm, Blackstone. TASKUS currently has over 15,000 employees and offices across the United States, Philippines, India, Taiwan, and Mexico. So TASKUS is an equal opportunity employer, which makes it unique. Now, few more details which will help you out at the time of interview and will make your interview going on. Let's see what are more details about TASKUS. So, TASKUS is the fastest growing tech-enabled business services company in the world. It delivers the customer support, artificial intelligence operations, and content security services that power the world's most innovative companies. It is listed as one of Glassdoor's 100 best places to work, US Today's best company cultures, and best companies for women by Comparably. TaskUs is a frontline first company that puts its people at the heart of everything they do. So people matter and people are their priority. TaskUs has been recognized as one of the 500 fastest growing private companies in America for the past 7 years consecutively. So, this is about TaskUs, which will help you out to know more and handle the interview round efficiently. Now, let us talk about the first role if you are applying as a teammate customer service. What are the job requirements? What are the key skill and what task us is looking for in their employer? So let us find out the requirements. So if you are willing to work on cyclical schedules and have experience on phone, email and live chat support, this would be an added advantage. If you have experience in customer service, sales, billing, collections, and technical support, you could be a good fit to apply for this company. You should definitely possess all those qualities if you would like to apply for the teammate customer services position with TaskUs. You should have strong verbal and written communication. Strong comprehension skill is appreciated. Computer literate and proficient in the use of Windows OS, Apple OS, Microsoft Office, and Google application will be an added advantage. Typing skill 30 word per minute for voice and 35 word per minute for non-voice campaigns will definitely be preferred. Few more to add. Good problem solving and critical thinking skill with a focus on issue resolution and customer satisfaction. Able to multitask and has high attention to detail will be a great addition to the team. You have to be self-motivated and be able to work independently. Contribute to cross-functional and global teams, flexible and has the ability to quickly adjust to frequent process and information changes will be what the employer will be looking for, and you should also be able to handle pressure and work under pressure. Now, what will be the job role and responsibilities associated with this position? So, as a teammate, you will provide world class service to your clients in an accurate, efficient, and respectful manner on every call as measured by different performance metrics. You have to strive for good customer satisfaction and experience and ensure that all calls are handled professionally based on the quality guidelines set by the client. You will meet and exceed client mandated KPIs, which is key performance indicators, and will ensure consistent performance based on the continuous improvement model. Few more things to add up. As an employee, you have to ensure that all logins and passwords, both internal and external, are kept confidential. You should participate in all internal and external mandated trainings or seminars. You should have knowledge, understanding, and compliance with TASKUS policies and procedures. You also have to maintain knowledge of functional area and company policies and procedures. So, if you would like to be a part of TASKUS, or if you are planning to apply for any of these roles with TASKUS, you should definitely go through all these things which are required to be a part of TASKUS. Now, the very important section. So, we did a research and we talked to few of the students who were selected for a specified position, basically for the teammate position as a customer service. So, let us find out what were the interview questions asked to them. The most important question which is definitely going to be asked in interview is, how ridiculous are you? The second one would be, how culturally fit are you? Because the HR says that skills could be developed. You could be given a different domain or you could be adjusted anywhere in the company depending upon your skill. But a must thing which you should have is that, how culturally fit are you? So, definitely, this question would play an essential role, and you should be able to answer this question. Now, the third question is why you want to join TaskUs. So, if you are applying for any company, this is a mandatory and asked question, that why you would like to join particular company. So you have to do your thorough research, that what made you to be a part or to apply for TaskUs. You all must be confused that what does this question mean, that how ridiculous are you? So if you have done your thorough research about the company, quite often you will come across this word ridiculous. So let me tell you in brief what this word means. So be ridiculous. So it is a sure sign of successful core values that the entire company that task us can tell you what the values are from memory. So at TaskUs, the final core value is be ridiculous, which means that they encourage their team to approach problems by first proposing a ridiculous solution and asking why not. So if you have this core value in you, or if you can ask this question, then definitely you will be a perfect fit for TaskUs, because you know what being ridiculous means. Now, the other question which could be asked to fresher is, tell me something about yourself. Make sure that you highlight your achievement or areas where you can directly associate with what TaskUs is looking for. Now, the second question is, what do you understand by BPO or KPO industry? So, if you want to be a part of TaskUs, you should definitely know what these industry does. Now, the third question is, what are your future plans? Definitely, an employer would look for the employee who has a crystal clear goal set in his life. So, definitely, this question could be asked to you, that what are your future plans? So, plan your answers accordingly and do practice all answers. Don't try to copy paste answers from anywhere. Rather, talk to yourself and find out why you would like to be a part of TaskUs and what are your future plans. tip for you while answering interview questions, remember these three things. Be specific, keep it simple, and don't forget to be ridiculous. Now, the most important thing is you have to see whether you are a culturally fit person, because other things could be adjusted. But Task Us definitely looks for a person who is ridiculous and who is culturally fit for their company. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.